Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central and western Kentucky, as well as southeastern Indiana. For today, scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible from this afternoon to this evening south of Interstate 64. Some of these storms may be strong to possibly severe with large hail and damaging winds. A large complex of showers and thunderstorms is expected to develop over south-central Illinois, extreme western Indiana, and northwestern Tennessee, and spread into north-central and western Kentucky and southeastern Indiana by this afternoon. Spotters in these areas should closely monitor the weather throughout the day if severe weather approaches. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: in Indiana, Harrison, Floyd, Clark, and in Kentucky, Jefferson and Oldham, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes. These storms were located along a line extending 5 miles west-southwest of Corydon to 5 miles west of New Washington, or 7 miles east of Henryville, moving south-southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the path of these storms include Corydon, Lannisville, Georgetown, Sellersburg, Charlestown, New Albany, Clarksville, Jeffersonville, downtown Louisville, Shively. This includes Interstate 64 between mile marker 105 and 123 in Indiana, and Interstate 64 between mile marker 1 and 12 in Kentucky. This is a particularly dangerous storm that could produce tornadoes at any moment. Take cover now. Take cover in an interior room of the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, seek shelter in a low-lying area and cover your head with your hands. Do not use highway overpasses for shelter, as you will put yourself in a dangerous situation. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio or television, or internet sources for further updates. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for southeastern Indiana and north-central Kentucky. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for Harrison, Floyd, and Clark counties in Indiana, and Jefferson and Oldham counties in Kentucky. At 5:05 p.m., storm spotters and law enforcement reported 2 tornadoes on the ground. One tornado was reported 5 miles west of Parkland or 5 miles northwest of Shively, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour towards the Ohio River. The second tornado was located 2 miles north of Jeffersonville or 2 miles east of Oak Park, moving south at 30 miles per hour. This tornado will impact Jeffersonville, eastern downtown Louisville, and Germantown in the next few minutes. This is a tornado emergency. Act now to protect your life. Move to an interior room of a sturdy building. Use blankets to protect your body from flying debris. Avoid windows if in vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter. Take cover now. Move to an interior room of the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows within mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie down in a low-lying area. Protect yourself from flying debris. When it is safe to do so, please call in your reports of wind or hail damage by calling the National Weather Service office at 1-502-9698-842. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for Harrison, Floyd, and Clark counties in Indiana, and Jefferson and Oldham counties in Kentucky.